YouTube? This ratchet right here from Matco. It's skipping. You can hear it? Right there. We're gonna go on the Matco truck today and see what he says about it.
Welcome to the Autobahn.
There he is. Let's go inside. So I got this orange one here, the last one left on the truck. Yeah, don't notice it on this one. We'll have to see. Alright, let's take a look inside. This is what it looks like inside. Nicely lubed. See the teeth right here. Focus. Focus up in here. I don't know. Pretty strange. There's an O-ring on there. Just checking right now if he's got a kit. Should be the same kit as the older ones. I don't know. Oh, he's ordering a new set. Take a look and see what he's got on the truck. Like the same stuff. Plastic repair kit. Seen these before. Always wonder if they work. Like staples. Gotta put the little staples in there and it holds the plastic together. It's like it'll get you out of a bind. Flexilla hose. Whoa. Propane torch kit. Set's still here. For upholstery tool set. Pretty cool. Some hammers back there. Got some carts up in here. This will run you $15 a week.
I've been buying mine online. You guys didn't care.
Still got the snap-on on here.
Plus, no one wants to pay for how much I'm guessing they're probably.
This fine American piece right here will cost $35 a week. Not bad. Got the outlets right here. 4S. We got here another pick set. Got one of these. Kind of works on some of them, as long as you can fit that in there. You can use them for other things too. Like that. All right. Gotta get back to lunch. And it's like we're gonna have to wait next week when I get the kid in and see how that goes. Pretty cool. Give me a set of those, $30. Real quick, let's see if anything changed just by cleaning it out and inspecting. think I noticed one skip there. It got a little bit better. Yeah, it got better. We'll see. Next week, get the rebuild kit. See how it goes. Here's the part number. And while we're here, might as well look at the flyer. 928 to 1020. Got the pink flyer still. Pink month going still. Looks like we got Pitman arm remover. More air tools. Beanies. Warriors. Another air gun. XL needle pliers. Buy this, get this free. Air tools. Sorry guys, I'm gonna just go through this real quick. Pause where you need to. Hopefully it's clear enough. Like more Ratchet sales right here. Punches, 50% off. Scraper BOGO. Lights, action camera. Caliper tool. Tire machines. Scan tools. Gotta get back to lunch. Just showing you guys real quick here. Looks like it's coming out clear. Relay setter, relay checkers. Those are always cool. Pricey, pricey, pricey. That's cool. Custom LED sign. 300 bucks. No, thank you. Get your standard hat there. And then on the back, we gotta buy a 4S or 6S toolbox and get a hutch. Side locker and top drawer lid accessory free. Wow. Not a bad deal. Matco tools. Get an add-on in the house. All right, so about probably over 15 years ago, I had this one skip on me, but it definitely was from something I did. It was so long ago, I don't remember. It was skipping with this little chunk missing out there, and you know, the paws look like and all that. So that was a long time ago. And the other one I had skip on me is this one. This is the part number right here. It is the F748, and I believe this one was rebuilt after it doing it, and I think it did it again. But yeah, it happens, so I'm not flipping out over nothing. So check out the knurling on this one. Mac, yeah. So definitely skipping on a new one. I don't know. We'll have to see. Let me know down below if yours is skipping. We'll get down to the bottom of this. Glow, little glow plug, glitter, glitter, glow, little glow plug, glitter. What the? Oh man, that was a nightmare. Huh, that's better.